Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Emelie's Outdoor Adventures. Today I'm back on Öland, which is the second largest island in Sweden. And Öland has a fantastic landscape, and me and Nix are going to make a little hike here. We have found this very interesting hike just south of Färjestaden, which we're going to try now. And it will take us through leaf forest and the Great Alvar. So this is the hike we will do. As you can see, it's 6.5 kilometers long and it's called Tengöleden. Yes. Ooh, and some bees. So we will start from one and go into a forest, and then out here on Alvaret, and we will walk a long bit on the Great Alvar, and then follow road 136 all the way back. There might be some cows here too. Woohoo! Hello! Now we have come to Gamla Skogsby. Yes, so here we have an old farm from the Iron Age. So you can see a lot of remains that are still here. It's really awesome. Wow. Actually, I'm talking about the Iron Age right now with my students at school, so this is cool. I will have take some pictures to show them. Wow. I can definitely recommend this little hike. It's not very long. They say it takes about 3 to 4 hours to walk it. And we have some lunch with us because, you know, I always get hungry. But the weather is absolutely stunning, and you can really see that spring is coming to Sweden. So this is just lovely. It is. I would need to wash my hair, but anyway. So have a look. It's not so bad with the... It's been very dry here, so wow! I mean, look at this! Woohoo! It's so lovely. We have to do this in summer too. Yep. Yeah, make the second video. Hiking in summer, just to see the difference with the leaf trees, and you know, when everything is in bloom. That would be so cool.
Make one for every season.
Okay, winter too. I'm not a winter person, if you haven't noticed. I don't like to get cold. I'm like a cat. I sleep and I want to be warm. Yeah, maybe not. And look at this, it's so fantastic. I think this is just great to take shorter hikes like this. You can do it with, you know, different kind of people. Because you don't have to be all hardcore and trying to survive 300 days out in the wilderness. You can just take a little short hike. It's lovely. It's for everyone. Well, no, maybe not everyone, because you have to be able to climb those things too. And as I said before, we're going to head out on the... Oh, there you are. We're going to head out on the Great Alvar, which is on UNESCO's heritage site, I think you say. Yeah. And there are hiking tracks, I think you say, on Alvaret, which you can take or hike. You are allowed to spend one night in a tent out on Alvaret, but then you have to keep on, keep moving to the next night. And of course, you're not allowed to make any open fires. So you will have to think about what sort of food you will take with you if you do that. I would like to do that one day, maybe in summer. But just remember that it's very, very windy out on Alvaret. So we'll see how much, how much I can stand talking like this to the camera when we're out there, because it will probably sound and that's not so nice. No. I made a video about Alvaret before, but I never been on a hike on Alvaret. Just shorter walks. Oh my god, look at all those flowers. It's blåsippor, as we call them. And oops, you're not allowed to pick them because they are fridlysta. Not sure what that is in English, but it's illegal to pick those blue flowers. Well, here we have lots of them, but I know in Stockholm, where I live, we don't have so many. We mostly have the white ones, and they are okay to pick. Blåsippa. This is just amazing, really. Well, continuing through the midland forest. Oops! Look at this. Oi! Spring is coming soon. Woohoo! Oh, how lovely with all the pollen. And well, as you can see, this isn't a very difficult hike. It's very flat, and it's even easier if you have like a man who's carrying your stuff too. Yeah. Oh look, some butterflies. I'm not sure if it's citronfjäril or nässelfjäril. So now we've stopped because we need to eat something. We only had breakfast today, so we're going to have some lunch. It will be some sort of fast food. Potatismos och korv, very easy. Chop chop. We started there, one, and then we went, and now we are here. So if you want to take a short hike, you can just walk back, crossing that, and then go back, but we're going to take this walk. So we've just been walking 2 kilometers, not very long, but there's so much to see, so it takes a while. So now we will walk and over here we have Alvar all the way. Oh, back there, yes. So now we are moving further out. And yes, here we have arrived to the nature reserve Kalkstad. And here it says it's forbidden to camp or tent or horse riding or have dog which is not leashed or on a leash. And well, there's a lot of things that are not allowed to do here in Kalkstad. And here you can see a little map. So this nature reserve is a part of the Midland forest, which we saw earlier, and it's very, very rich in different species, and it had a lot of different trees too. And here you can also find a tree called European white elm, which doesn't grow wild in any other places in Sweden. It's just here on Öland. I'm not sure exactly how it looks, but maybe it's one of these. I don't know. I can just imagine how this place looks during summer when all the leaves are, all the trees are in bloom. I really have to come back. But I mean, I don't know if you can hear all the birds. Wow. I don't think I've heard so many birds at the same time before. Wow, they have bees here. Oh, that's great. We do need more bees on this planet. I do not want to go near that, but it's just perfect because, as I said, we really need more of them to pollinate the flowers and everything we eat. Look! Here you can see the ivy. Really how it's growing on that tree. Oh, all the way up. Oh, my back. Oh, and all the way down. Wow. You can actually see the roots. Wow. It's just so cool. It's so nice to see something else and just spruce and pine and so on, or birch. And I mean all the flowers. We could make a 1 hour video with just, well, landscape. Okay, no, that's something else, but you. Wow, it's just, I mean, look at the trees. It's hard to describe because, you know, it's more beautiful live than it is on my camera. But here we come to an åker. Maybe they are going to plant potatoes or something. I don't know. I love this little island. Here I found a little bug, a little beetle. I've actually never seen a beetle like that before. I hope there's someone who can tell me what it is, or what species this is. It's just, wow, it was very big. You have to watch your step. Time to get out on the Great Alvar. on the Alvar. And a small little path. We're supposed to follow the tree line until we see a little road. So another of the stone walls here. Am I really supposed to walk over this? Okay. Whee! Som geggamoja. So this Great Alvar on Öland is 260 square kilometers and it covers most of southern Öland. And as I said, it's placed on UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. And now we're supposed to follow this little road here on Alvaret, and here you can see the bedrock. It's not much soil at all, like none. And we're going to walk on this road until we reach the main road. Now we are heading back. And as you can see or hear, there is the road here, road 136, which is supposed to be one of Northern Europe's oldest road, 6,600 years old. That's quite impressive. So we will just follow the road. Might not be very exotic, but last summer I visited Öland's highest point. Do you say that? Yeah. It's not so far from here. It's just down the road. It wasn't very high. It's a very flat island, but still. It's a very short little flower here. And some people say, well, they are so short because of the wind. Well, the thing is that if you have the DNA to be a very long flower, then you will be eaten before you can spread your seeds or get pollinated. So it's actually a benefit to be very, very short. So they have evolved like this. So that's why they become so short. Yeah. Hop. And here we have cows. You know, if someone is interested in some tea. Now we are almost back at the car where we started. Whoa! Okay, scary bird. Ooh, okay. Okay, and there we have this place called Station Linné. It's a sort of a science center where we started from. And there you can also borrow the different maps like we have done. You can also download them on their website, stationlinea.se. Oh, here we have a lake. Oh, but this was just perfect. I'm starting to get a bit tired in my feet. It's a lovely little hike, just for a couple of hours. And it's good to have something with you to eat as well, if you get hungry. Yep, now we're back. So now here we are back at the station. And here you can see Kalmarsund with the bridge. try to zoom a bit. Woohoo! That's the Ölands bridge. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And I hope I'll see you next time. And oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram or on Facebook too. Take care. Bye bye.